naisipan na mag-conduct?
Bakit? Okay. The truth of the matter is, I really wanted to do a research. I wanted to do my own, my own research on Ilocano cuisine and our heirloom dishes. But it is talagang a big effort to do it on your own. If you're doing it alone, it's hard.
Kasi kung gusto mo namang edible sa mga anak mo, siya ng karne, lalagyan mo siya ng, ayan, longganisa linagay niya, inagaw pa lang po niya. So this one is edible for all ages. Kasi kung minsan, di ba, ayaw mo yung, ako rin, ito na siguro kakainin ko, as compared to the salad. Kasi kain mo siya sa kanin. Diba? So, Rabo, ang Ilocanos talaga, we're very versatile in terms of turning certain dishes into, certain ingredients into dishes. Kasi masinop ang Ilocano, matipid po kami. So, we like our gulay. We love our gulay. So this one, these are bamboo shoots. Ang tawag namin rabong. In Tagalog, we call it labong. So if you go to your weekend market in Manila, I think they have it, look for the Ilocano vendor. Like in Nandang Sora, we have an Ilocano vendor ng mga ingredients. But I think labong naman from the sugarcane. Every season we have sugarcane. Okay, this is our labong. Okay, nakalive ko right now. Ayan po. Adobong labong. Labong o labong. This is our lunch later. Or I can share it and put it there for everybody to try. Okay. Ayan, guys. I have 10 viewers. The 10 viewers, pag-share po ito towards the end of this time. Kasi ang tagal ng live namin. We're still, habang meron pa po. Pariyan, bakit? Walang to advertise, but since we have this po in season, basically, we serve them in Lamasyon. I don't know, good vibes ba ito good wild? Oh, di ba? Magbibenta pa sila bukas sa palengke po. Pero lutuan na timana. That's, that's how you build curiosity.